All right. What are we going to do today? Let's try to make some money trading. So, this is a story we've seen before. If you guys want to go to my market analysis screen, a little movie we've seen before. Those of you on trial, welcome. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. I'm sure Paul's addressed you as well. Please, at some point during your trial, make your way to libertytradingclub.com and peruse through there. We've got a lot of tools that you can use, a lot of training videos that you can make use of, especially our elite class replays. And as you can see on my main screen, we have our Tick Century trade. I don't really want to call it an auto trader, but kind of a mix between an auto trader and a signal system. And then same for our tick reversal, which will automatically put in trades when certain conditions are met based on parameters that you put into it. So you can use those, see how they follow along with what we try to do here in the room, and we'll give you real good real-time guidance on that as well. All right, members, again, Monday morning, happy Monday. Let's roll into this. So start with the yes, like I usually do. Um, Again, we had that push to all-time highs, and then boop, sell off immediately after that. And before they were playing around this level here, but they moved it up a few ticks, but still the same thing. Same movie we've seen before, guys. Monday, low volume, good sneaky little place for them to shuffle around a bunch of contracts. And it was interesting too that last week they just pushed it down to the same area they had bought from before, and it almost gets back to the prior levels up here. So, what am I saying? I looked around the board, and if you look at something like the NQ here, go to the daily, you're still kind of an inside day compared to Friday, but same type of scenario. Push it back to a level that is really an undiscovered level. The only thing that really gives me a lot of confidence is when I look at the other asset classes, all the asset classes, the indexes. Tom, good morning. Echo. Is everybody else here in Echo? No, not really. Okay. Um, who asked that? WD. If you there's a refresh button here, I'll take a screenshot real quick. In the top right hand corner of the screen, you should see a refresh button. Um, Should be a refresh. I don't know why I can't get this. Come on, snipping tool. There you go. That should help. Yeah, or reload the page. Here you go. Try that refresh button as well. All right. So again, one of the things that got me is pretty much all the major indexes came back to the almost an undiscovered level, and definitely a basing level for all three major indexes that we look at here. So, what does that tell us? Somebody chime in on that one. This is a pretty easy one today. The odds are we see, based on the volume we're seeing, based on what we're seeing, everybody, the odds are we're going to see an and starting as inside day. Now, again, last week we got a good surprise, right? We thought for at least a few days last week, we thought that what? We would see those chop and breakout periods. No, we did. We did see some chop and breakout periods last week, but we're probably likely to have that a lot more today. As the big boys and girls decide where they want to trade from, we will sit on the sidelines and watch them battle it out and then say, oh, next time price gets there, I'll trade from there. What a novel concept. Wait and see. Wait and see. All right. Okie dokie. Artichoke. So some key levels to look at today. Normally don't do this, but again, we don't have a lot of price action up here, so I would say let's go with the Globex levels. Um, Anything above the Globex highs, obviously buy heavy because it's going back up. Anything below, again, sell heavy because it's going back down. And again, the other thing we know about this is, other than that rise up to this here, we have this Globex level here. What did they do from here before? Sold it, sold it, sold it, sold it. So, anything below the Globex levels, we are going to have to become sellers because it's coming back down. Really simple today, though. Expect the inside day, plan for the worst. If you get something better, follow the rules, trade with momentum, and cast it. Obviously, in the near term, we have a slight buy side. All right. you.
All right. Get ready to rock here. We got a lot of news. We got what PPI, CPI this week. We got a lot coming this week. Might be a little bit slow before then, but
All right. Is there anybody that happens to be long from that pullback earlier this morning, right at 8 a.m.? You got all that happens to be long? Figured there'd be at least one person. Just moved right up to this level, stayed there the whole night. Again, we do have a slight bias to the long side, and we're looking to buy pullbacks this morning until we see momentum roll over, and then we'll start to look to sell rallies if that happens. Keep it simple. Inside day. Treat it as such until it proves otherwise. Those of you that are struggling to be profitable, or you're newer to this, you probably want to stay away from anything that's not perfect. What is something that's perfect? A nice little look. Market already gave you a perfect trade. Nice little hook and stochastics, projection widths on one side or the other, with momentum, all that fun stuff. From a zone. Where am I level zone here? Oh no. On the new computer they show off the screen? That's silly.
all right, showtime. See what we got.
Here we go. Again, those of you newer, please please make sure to wait for a good 5 to 6 minutes. Usually there's a decent little trade 6 minutes after the open. Those of you with permission to trade the open, feel free to trade around the country, trade around the world. YM's pushing down, ES pushing down, NQ pushing down. So we should get a decent little buy signal come from this. Probably somewhere around that 6 minute mark. You're about to get one on the YM and ES if you're inclined and have permission to trade the open. You're about to get a buy signal there. Yeah, Isaac already took it long. Michael, that's probably a decent 77.
Yeah, you had to be quick on that. You know what? Let me sync my clock. Oh, sync.
Oh, I'm a few seconds off too. Let me do that as well.
Keeps me out of this craziness right now.
Yeah. Crazy? I don't know. Or nothingness.
Nothingness. Well, that's crazy for me.
That's right.
You might. Those of you that are inclined, you could.
Now you're just going to get a better buy signal.
Let me see.
Yes, and the YM.
Yeah, now you're going to get it. And the NQ.
Yeah. But the money line, I mean, that's a decent one, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, about to work out for you right now if you got net. YM's about to work out for you right now if you got a net. Anybody grab those longs? Get your targets off.
Got to be
Anybody
quick.
out there, grab them. Lulu got a piece. Oh, I didn't get your limit order. All right, now we sit on the sidelines for a minute longer. Let them sell it for a little bit.
There's your 77 bounce. There's a winner. Perfect 77 bounce.
Ooh, what?
Yes. Go, baby.
Oh, why didn't you tell me to do the 77 pounds? Waiting in. And it was.
Yeah, Michael. Boom, right?
There you guys go.
Perfect.
Anybody grab that 77?
Perfect winner.
Called that out well in advance. Little double bottom on the ES happening now.
Hold on to this if you're still in it. This could break up.
Okay, good. I like this long. I do like this long one. Yes.
Come on, Saudis. Go, baby. Oh, I'm in, she said.
Nice, Lulu. Michael, Lulu, good job, guys. Nobody else, Nick, nobody grabbed that 77 long? Oh, Nick's having clock issues. PBR got it good. Das Bourbon God, good job. Yeah, I figured Nick. One. Good job. Lulu, nice. Good entry. If this can't push up now, I'm not going to look for the reversal on the ES. It's just not doing it the way I wanted to do it. I think you might be more inclined to get a reversal on the YM and get some ticks out of that. But if the NQ keeps heading up, the other indexes should kind of follow along with it. It's now breaking out of those. Yeah. Now breaking out of that garbage from the Globex. So you'd think this would be up now for everything. Lulu got a runner. Nice. Nice, Lulu.
You got to hold here, see what happens. Come on, baby, go.
It's going. Good job, guys. Missing out on this stuff.
Coach.
You do that on that. Oh, missed it on the YM. Try to get a money line. YM here. Actually, I'm going to do the same thing with the ES. That's a little too far above where I want it.
Let this thing pull back. Just let it pull back.
Should be up now, guys. I mean, realistically. Everything should be pushing up now, so not to pull back. All right. Oh, the 26 short, Nick. I'm guessing.
Got the pullback.
Losing.
Short. Yeah, you could have done that.
Nice, Nick. That was a good eyesight for that. And stay long, everyone. Stay long. Just stay long. If you're on the ES, your stop is now at 4 even. Looks like. Yep. If you're in the NQ, you could probably be looking at 820 as your stop, and the YM, you're probably still sitting back somewhere around where I have this target at 430, 429, something like that. Probably about to take you flat.
Yeah, one trade, 77 long.
Again,
that was it.
I know, right? Why didn't you tell me to do it? You should have told me to do it, man.
I said it. I go, those you did had the account, 77.
Oh well. I was trying to be a good patient guy and wait until after the 6 minutes.
Perfect setup.
I know. It was good.
Absolutely
Came
perfect.
Oversold stochastics. Exactly what I said this morning. From a zone, rejection wick, the whole 9 yards.
Perfect. Well, we just be patient.
It really doesn't look like we I mean, we really should probably be moving up. Check the YM here.
Now we
didn't
come
quite
back
break above Globex levels, but again, it did come down to a pretty decent little level here, so that should be a decent little buy.
Ric Flair. Woo! I love it. Now, if you're thinking about this 26 long here on NQ, I would be careful. Make sure you can look for a hook oversold stochastics or get another confirmation that you made a hook, something. Don't just blindly take this one or let it come back to that money line.
I think that 26 is going to work.
Again, it could work, but I wouldn't take it blind. There you go.
Oh, no, it's not working. There you go.
I like the money line better. Yeah, that's why I said be careful if you're just gonna. Wait for the hook. Wait for the hook. There you go. Come on. There you go. Right there. Come on. This thing's not going to hook. Like that HMA's got a hook. Right there. Come on. Mm-mm. Just wait patiently. I guess this time might be that 77 down below. Nice, Lulu. Good job. That makes up for that red Friday. Oh, crap. There it is. Sorry. Turn my head. Look. Long. Say I turned my head second. Freaking missed it. Anybody catch it? Good. I missed it, guys. Dang it. Turn my head. New Lulu. It's your fault. I was looking at your P&L. You guys got it? All right, good job. At least everybody else got it. Good call. Good job, everybody. See how I just patiently wait for those hooks. Clean setups. Nice, clean setup. And that's a winner. Stay in this. Could work its way back up there. Now, if we get a rejection here, no, it's not going to reject. If we get a rejection here, then we might change our mind. Thank you, Juan. Good job, Isaac, Juan, PBR, Nick, everybody that got it. I freaking turned my head for 2 seconds to look at the screen, to look at the messages, and I missed it. Dennis, good job. All right, everybody, stay in this. See what it does here. If it rejects this 26, get out because it's going to come back. If it breaks up here, this little consolidation, just tuck your stop up underneath. No, never mind. Never mind. Get out. Bank your profit. Get out. Good trade though. Good trade, everybody. Yeah, we did lose Coach Brian, didn't we? I just realized we lost his charts too. Uh-oh. Look at that thing. Came back and now it's going to run. Don't chase this though. Let it go. Just let it go. Man, I can't believe I missed that. I was waiting for that sucker. Nice, guys. Nice. I'm glad everybody else got it. I'll get another one. I can wait. Yeah, Lulu, you owe me money. I'm going to send you a bill for that one. That would have been a good trade, too. Yeah. Came down off that. For me, it was off 200 round the round, but it was the pullback. I was just waiting for the hooks, stochastics, and the HMA. It was going to go. That's why I said be careful if you had the 26 long because it was probably going to pull down to the moving averages. All right, well, now we wait. Nothing I can do. Just sit here and lick my wounds because I didn't take it. Good job, though, on that 9-pointer, Lulu. Good job. It's a nice trade. Uh, 930, 933. Yeah, I'll buy that. That works. Look at all that right there on the left. Look to the left. We always stay right. Look left to trade right. Man, this thing's gonna go without me. This is gonna burn me. This has been a home run trade too. Anybody still in this? Please tell me you guys are still in this. Another 26. Nah, I'm not gonna take it, Michael. If are you asking would I take a 26 long on NQ right now? Oh, you grabbed it already? Yeah, it wasn't really a valid entry. Once I miss a trade, I don't chase it. It is what it is. I'll live. I'll get another trade.
Did you guys miss me?
We did. They're making money. I was reading messages and missed the trade. I sent her telling everybody to go.
I ended up with a decent little break even there on the ES, and the YM obviously didn't make money, but I lost internet for some reason or connection, and it did its thing, thankfully. I broke almost even on that, but it wasn't a fun experience here. I still like that YM long, guys. Still like the YM long from here. All right, try this one more time.
Come on, break up.
Cellular fell over back up.
Break that sucker and go. Anybody still in this trade?
Copy trading again. 15, not bad money. Oh, nice job. 13 trades to get $800. That's working for that $800. Good job, Isaac. All right. Looks like everybody's doing pretty well, doesn't it?
Yeah. They a bunch of them caught that NQ I called, and they're doing fine. I
250.
don't think this is done.
Well,
Going up.
yeah, a couple ticks off here. They're driving the YM down. So look, guys, there's going to be a decent buy signal on the YM here in a second. All right, all these. Are you kidding me? I didn't put those zones there.
All right, Isaac. Good job, man. Another good day for you, Isaac.
I'm putting my tick reversal on long. I know it took 13 trades. We had to work for it. But got it done in the end. All right, let's do this. Tick reversal. I'm going to turn that long on the YM. And the zone will show up here in a second. I actually like that on the ES as well. So I'm going to turn that on long on the ES. Still going to be a little patient there on the NQ. This might work out pretty well for you, though, on the long side. YM probably needs to go a little bit lower. Just a tad bit lower. Like to where that zone that just popped up is.
Hold off on that NQ right now.
Might be a buyer of that.
Getting lower lows, lower highs, excuse me. I would not take this zone 26 right here. I would pass long. Back in that same scenario, you want it to come down.
All right, Isaac, have a good one. See you tomorrow.
See you, Isaac. Good job, man.
Good job. Got it done.
Isaac, Mr. Consistent. Getting there, brother.
Got it done, buddy.
Nice, Isaac.
Awesome, Isaac.
Super, super
Thank
cool.
you, sir.
Guys, I love that everybody. So many people are just nowadays. I mean, they're really starting to come around. A lot of the guys I'm coaching are just. I love it. They're starting to see
I
it.
know. Even the ones I had to yell at, even the ones I had to yell at a few weeks ago, they're doing great now.
Yeah, and I say it all the time. If you're struggling, reach out. Let's get on a call. Let's talk. Let's figure out what's going on. Let's fix it. Just a matter of being patient and waiting for your setups.
There was the long I called on the YM and the ES longs that I called. Did anybody tick those? I didn't
Thank you,
quite get the tick reversal. Yeah, I don't know why not there.
Kind of chopping now. I didn't like that 26 long. I passed on it, but it would have worked.
Thank you, Isaac.
Well, looks like it's going to be a light day for me.
Oh, Todd got a piece of it. Nice, Todd. Good job. Oh,
Tom. All right, good. With the videos from our call last week, he, for some reason, I think whatever Paulina sent to him wasn't right, but Hugo fixed it. Hugo always fixes it. That's what Hugo does.
He's great at that. All right. So a couple people, I guess, got the longs on the NQ and YM.
Come on, pull back.
I'm curious why this ES didn't take me long on the tick reversal. Interesting. My settings should be right.
Here we go. I'll give that 26 a shot. 26 long.
Oh, give
I
it.
don't like that stochastics is up there.
Go that way.
Money lines right there, though. That might be worth a shot. 26 long. If it gets down there.
What in the world?
Let it go through it because it could come down to that 200 and then come back up through it. That would be a better trade. 26 low and a back through. I like that. Trump speaking in 9 minutes. Oh, crap. Okay.
Not doing anything till then.
Yeah. I'll put the brakes on that. But if you're nicely green, let this break the 26 down around and come down towards that 200 and then back up through. That's a trade. If you're nicely green, I wouldn't make that your first trade with Trump talking in 9 minutes.
No.
But
no.
it is looks like overbought. Stochastic is going to come down and hook. So I do like it. I'm telling you, I like it. You do what you want. Trader discretion. Boom. See ya. Trumpy. Talk it. Talk it up, Mr. Orange. Woo.
Mr. Orange.
The Orange Man.
Mr. Orange.
Nice, Dennis. Smart. I don't know. I'd be one short in what market? ES? I don't know that I'd be short in this market. NQ? I'm definitely not interested in shorting the NQ right now. NQ 85. I may say, okay, all right. Hey, that works. You do you. If it's in your plan, that's all right. I was walking through airport. They thought I was Trump.
Oh, who's that?
You got the hair? What is it? What's up? You orange? What's the? Tall and red. There you go. Come on, pull back. Pull back. They call him Big Red.
Big Red.
No.
And old. Todd.
Sure, we're all old. I tweaked my back this weekend.
Call yourself old. Don't you point that finger at me.
I'm feeling my friggin' age. That's for sure.
I never do.
Yeah. Well, I used to be your age too. I didn't when I was your age. Something tweaked my back.
Youngin'. You youngin'.
Trying to lift those freaking shells, monster ass shells off those.
Oh.
Tearing all that down was fun this weekend.
Oh, you did that this weekend?
Yeah, my friend and I sat over there in the garage and busted all that shelving out. You know, he built that stuff like to resist earthquakes.
Right. Now, Todd, let me ask you, was that an A+ trade, Todd? Based on what we talked about the other day. Yes or no?
Nah, hold off on NQ right now, guys. I'll tell you if I see something. I don't see anything. I'm sitting on my hands. I mean, it's a long if you want to just
Okay.
throw a micro
Just making
in.
sure you know that, Todd. Making sure you know that. EQ is blasting off.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's a long if you just want to throw a micro on because it's a long, but it's not. There's no entry here.
Yeah, no real good entry.
Yeah. I'm definitely not interested in shorts. Not even a. I mean, like you could get a 77
You could
rejection
probably
right
grab
here.
that for a couple ticks.
Yeah, so
Tom,
you
you could
could get a
probably grab that for a
77.
couple ticks.
Oh, gold short.
I
Okay,
would
gold short.
not. Yeah, I was just telling Tom, let him know that's probably you could probably get a couple ticks out of that.
I just said I'm not even trying. Not even going to try
Good
the
job,
counter.
Justin. Stop. 425. Let's see, what is that low right there? Yeah, 425 is your stop right now. Todd. And just so you guys know, if you type in S and your asset, like SES, SNQ, SYM, we're going to know that's a stop. That way you can do it quickly while you're in the trade if you want to. Most everybody knows that. Just make sure the newer people know that.
Tempted to take that.
I know this is starting to get pretty tempting. Isn't it? I'm tempted.
77
I would like to see.
short. You could take a
I'd like to see
scalp.
it bust above 77 and then push back down to it.
I mean, it's a freaking valid setup, but I don't like it. I'm just scared with this uptrend like this. There it is. All right. There it is. Boom.
I like the
Valid.
money line here.
Anybody take
Nice
the
job.
77 short? I mean, it worked. Wasn't high on the hog about it, but it worked. Worked nicely now.
I kind of like the. I was gonna say I kind of like the money line longs.
Yeah.
On the
I
flip
mean,
side of
I'm
that,
looking
going
for the
with the,
pullback. Yeah, I'm looking for the pullback. That's what I want. But the 77 was a short.
right here around that 50 area.
Mm-hmm.
I
You
think
know,
that would be a fun one to take.
that's a trade. That will work
Yeah,
if it comes back there.
I like that one.
Let's see who else is trading. Michael, did you take a 77 short? Who was trading short? Somebody was Todd. Oh, Todd was, but he's on ES, wasn't he?
No, Todd's long, or was
Okay.
long. He's flat right now, or he jumped back in.
Somebody else in here. I bet somebody took the 77 short.
Still like the money lines. Take the short.
You didn't take it.
Okay.
You did, Nick.
Okay.
All right. Good job, man. It
All right.
worked. I was just a little bit on the fence about it, but good job. I mean,
Yeah.
props to you, man. Props
I
to
would
you.
say stop on the short side of things for the near term, guys. At this point, go give me my target. Let's go. There you go. Uh oh. If it doesn't finish up now, I'm going to kill it with profits. Yep, I'm killing it with profits. I'm going to be a little scared of anything right now. What is Trump talking right now, or is he talking in a couple minutes? Who said that? Do we know? What did they say? Do you know? Is he talking right now, or
I have no idea.
10?
Somebody said he was talking. I don't.
Yeah. I'm glad I killed that for a little profit there. All right. I'm officially green this morning now. 10. Okay. Yeah, I didn't see anything on that either. So I guess
get your money
somebody
line
knows.
down.
I know. I'm just gonna
don't know. If I get a hook, I don't like the stochastics with HMA. There it is. Come on, you got to go if you're going to go, Betsy. There you go. Boom. Boom.
There you go.
The winner, chicken dinner. All right.
All right.
Anybody take
Dennis
it?
took a short.
26 long. Nick, you got it? You racking up.
20. I don't know where you took a short from, Dennis, but 150 would be a good stop right now.
Up 150. Okay.
And 1.50 would be a good stop right now.
Yeah,
If you're
Nick.
still in
Good
it,
job. All right, just Nick and I.
There we go.
Two people took it.
Did not. I still have
Guys, take my trades.
So I guess that long started to come across there on the YM there, guys. I left that on from earlier, so should be a decent one. Yeah, Paul's calling bangers this morning, guys. Take them. There's target off. Go get me another target. I'll move that one more tick closer. Yes, he is calling bangers for you guys this morning. Knocking it out the park. 85 short to 826. Okay, there you go, Dennis. That's not bad. Good deal. I'm not gonna keep this YM much longer. Not liking the way this is starting to look here. 344. Got one more tick. Go get it, YM.
Good morning, man. I love when the NQ plays along every day.
It does.
It's so predictable. It's unbelievable.
All the NXs are predictable.
Yeah. It's just so mechanical. If you just wait patiently. I'll tell you what, I have to say.
Patience. You have to have patience.
Yes. I will say I have added the triple HMAs on the NQ, and that is making a difference because it's keeping me more patient. I'm waiting for the hooks.
Yeah, those work. That works pretty well.
I mean, that's a good little. I can't say that doesn't help. So, but it's got me up over a couple.
Yeah, we had a bunch of people having Travis. I was coaching a bunch of people and they were having entry issues, and so I kind of was looking around for things that could help, and I just was looking through some stuff, and somebody suggested if you're using HMA, use 3 HMAs. So like here on the ES.
I mean, I was on the fence about
3 HMA cross. You get a 3 HMA cross. It usually gets some pretty good buy and sell signals from it. It should just be 21, 18, 15, right?
Is
that what you're using?
21, 18, and 15, yes. So 15, 18, 21.
Yeah. Yep.
I mean, it really, I resisted it for a long time, but I threw them on my charts about a week ago, and they really have made a difference. It's just keeping me, all it's doing is just keeping me more patient because I'm having to wait for them all to cross. And then when I see that, and then if they line up with these stochastics, boom, take the trade.
I'm sitting here looking at the HMA, and I wanted to turn my money line on to get long on the NQ with you guys, and I did not do it. There's a money line long. There's a money line long that's going to come up on the ES.
You got a money line long? Yes. Oh, Stokes are the name of the game today. Yeah, stochastics are the name of the game most of the days. 26 is money. The 26.77 money every day, Michael. Every single day. Now, again, I don't blindly just take them. I need confluence, but that's definitely my areas of entries. We had a good little meeting on Friday with that, Michael, Jim, and Tom, and myself about what we look for and what to take trades. Yeah, we lost Coach Brian again. Yeah, we did. Oh, there he is.
This is getting annoying.
Is it internet issues or computer issues?
No, I think it's a computer issue.
It's the new one?
Yes.
Man, that thing has been
aggravating.
I think you got a lemon.
No kidding. I think I did too.
I think it's time to ask your money back on that one.
That's exactly what's about to happen. That's exactly what's about to happen.
Funny how the old one is the one that's the reliable.
Oh, it's never given me issues.
No, Nick, I don't know if it is, Nick. It was just something for the member meetup. If you guys are in the member meetup, I was just talking to, I don't know, Tom. Tom, what are you guys going to do with that? Where's that going to go, Tom? Tom or Jim, one of you two? The last thing, Q26 was also in the zone of an anchor VWAP. Where is VWAP? Okay. Okay. Again, I think, you want to just pair it with something, right? You want confluence. Don't blindly take them. They're great levels of entry. It's a good place to come in, but not every one of them is going to work. You want confluence. Exactly. So I just look for stuff like the money line, the 200, the hooks of stochastics, something's going to just read the price action. Have we lose Brian again? Yeah, we did. Oh. Look, you're getting a money line bounce right now. I don't know, man. When I first got into this house here, the internet was crappy. And I mean crappy. It was crappy. But the guy that came out last week, he was super cool. He ran all new wires, gave me a Cat 8, something bigger, faster cable. And I don't know. All I know is I'm getting 2.4 gigs right now. I wasn't getting that at the old house. I was getting like 1.3. So this thing is like lightning speed right now. He hooked me up. Watch your legs. Yeah. Watch your legs. I don't have anything right now. I don't have anything right now. In fact, I'm going to probably go, see what it does. It's going to pull. Yeah, I don't have anything. I don't like the NQ. I still think overall, I'm still favoring the longs. You could take the money line bounce right here if you want it. I'm going to pass. I'm not giving my money back.
I was going to try to take the money line long, but I'm having connection issues. So
you could take the money line long. I mean, that's the only trade
I was going to,
but
I'm not going to trade with his connection issues.
I wouldn't. Yeah.
Let's try this one last time here. You don't have it. All right.
It's coming down, people. NQ's short to at least that 26. You're going to get it.
What's weird though is, I mean, I've been using this for a little bit over a week now, and it's worked perfectly fine. Didn't have any of these
Yeah.
issues.
That's why I was asking if it was possibly internet related.
Maybe double check that.